Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you Offsides in Rush tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Training Center and go to Rush. Find Offsides in Rush and select it. From this tutorial you will learn how to manage offsides in Rush mode. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.